Hey guys, we're going to look today at site hierarchy for websites and landing pages. So on your website and landing page, you generally want to stick to 3 colors max. You have your main color and your second color, and then usually what I call your accent color or your tertiary color. It's usually one of these names. So you have your main color maybe for the background or one for the text, and then you'll interchange between those colors. Some brands I still will do 4, but really ideally 2 or 3, you're in the sweet spot. As for text, all your main headers, your site header, your section headers, that is your H1 tag, so that is H1. Then more subheaders, the text under that, that's H2. Then you go H3 if needed, and then you'll do paragraph and body, which would be the same as your subtitle. So your subtitle, your subheader, that'll be more body paragraph text. So it's really just headers, paragraph, and then yeah, when it comes to CMS, I'm dealing mostly with just links and YouTube. So when it comes to video, like I always say, just use a YouTube link. Just put your videos on YouTube and then link it in your site. It's gonna save you lots of time, lots of headache. You don't need to compress, you're not gonna lose quality. And yeah, you're gonna get more views on your YouTube as well. So have a great day, guys.